Alright gamers, so we are playing Ghost Recon Siren's Call. Shut down the sound section. Alright, we just need to find our quest giver. Once we find him, we'll see what's going on. Alright, and he is in, I believe it's called Brown Homestead in New Argyle. Alright, so we've got our quest and we're headed that way. Looks like our quest is going to be in the mountainside. Let's land, see what we've got to do. Alright, we've got drones covering the entry point. Need to take them out. I do like using the sync with the team. If you've played it, you know they never miss. Sometimes if I can get somebody that I can target, I try to do that too. This adds to the fun for me. Boom. Alright, all targets are down. We're going to move in. And we're going to move in and see if we can gain entry to the entrance. Need to pick up our parts. Yeah, you may have to hear some other sounds in the background. I'm not the only gamer in the room, so we'll lead with that. I don't get it. Why can't drones drop ammo? I mean, like old shells. They shoot at you, don't they? Yeah. So they should be dropping tons of old ammo shells. Instead of you having to go to these old bunkers and old war sites to run around trying to pick up old gun shells. But hey, that's just my issue. Alright, let's go in. Objective, search the cave. I like to use night vision if I'm not using thermal for the shots. And just to gauge the location of my targets. Alright, making our way in. You can see we've got some mobs to the left. Turn off these lights. I need to see my target before my target sees me. That is something unique I like in the game, though, that you can turn out these lights, shoot them out. Alright. What's funny to me is how sometimes I can get to an area and one of my team members is already in the area. It's like the game does not see them all the time. It's like, okay. I guess technically these are little cheats in the game. That's alright. Alright, I see a chest. So I definitely gotta go over there now. All right, let's turn that light out. Thank you. Moving in. All right. Still got mobs to the left of us. Waiting to see where it's going to take us. All right. There's a mob, looks like, to my right with a chest. So I'm assuming this is a circle that I'm working my way around to. All right. All right, looks like I've got a target on the right. Definite target on the left. Pop them in the head is usually the quickest way to nail that. Boop, got his attention. Took him out. Alright, let's make our way to the right. I want to get to that chest first, see what that's all about. Alright, they just found a dead body. Up, walked up on them. And I do like when I can wing somebody or knee somebody. It's a quick way to get them down without making too much of an effort. Lights out. Let's check the room. Raid the chest. All right, investigations needed. All right, let's continue on. Just making sure I didn't miss nothing. All right, let's make our way back up. We got a target. And a blue item just dropped. Nice pair of pants. All right, targets are on yellow alert. They know we're here. I'll take a headshot if we got one. Yep. Purple. Boom. Boom. All right. He saw me, but I saw him too. All right, let's see where this is taking us. We're getting close to the area where we need to be finding some items. About to cross over in there in just a sec. Alright, this room looks clear. Looks like it's just gonna be a straight walk through. I don't need to carry him. Let's keep it moving. Lights out. See what's going on. Yeah, not much in this room. Let's keep it moving. All right. What I do like too is sometimes you can sight a target through the wall and your team will be able to take them out. Of course, with us, you know, the person, you got to have a straight visual, so it's kind of cool with them. They don't necessarily have to have a straight line of sight. Up, move, girl. I need to take that light out. Thank you. All right, we in the target area at this point. Just now crossing that zone. I don't see any more targets though. I do see some information on the table. All right, let's check this out. All right, moving on. Search the cave. What are we looking for? Search the cave. What are we looking for? Alrighty. Alright, we seem to be walking in one big circle. Alright, come on, let's get out of here. Alright, here we go. Something new. Another light, shut it down. Let's keep moving. Oh, look like we got a drone. Just don't know if it's the four-wheeled or the flying drones. But it looks like two of them. It should be interesting in that small space. Yeah, there we go. And let's see. Go a little dry. Gotta get something to drink. Alright, come on. Where you at? Where you at? Okay, I'm passing bodies, so somebody's been through here. And it wasn't us. Okay, I see it on my radar. All right, let's go. Moving in. Alright, looks like there's a drone above us and a drone in front of us. Maybe it's parked on a hill or something. Don't know. Got more dead bodies in there with it, whatever it is. I'm half thinking it's a behemoth, but I'm pretty sure it was showed an icon somewhere. If it was one of those. That would be a battle. What? It's in the ceiling. What's up with that? Maybe it's a graphics glitch. I don't know. But yeah, it's up in the ceiling and it's making noises. Or maybe it's going to drop out the ceiling. Well, let me get my grenade launcher ready because that's the most effective way to take care of it. Booyah. Okay, well, that knocked the other one down. Nope, it's still up in the ceiling. Okay. All right. I'm not mad about a quick day's dollar made. All right. Let me loot these parts. See what else we need to do. Okay. This is what I was searching for. See a platform straight ahead. Alright, so it's to disable the antenna. I've got to hack that box now. I've never done this one before, so let me get my team to come where I am. Because usually once you start hacking something, you either got to hold it while the mobs come, and let it continue to do whatever it's got to do. So let me turn some of these lights out so that they can't see us, but we can see them, and get my team in place. I don't think I need to put down any grenades or mines because it looks like it's only one way they could come in at us, where I see the red at. Alright, so let's hack this box and see what happens. It's about to pop off. Disable the antenna. Objective complete. Yeah, okay. Alright, so I just gotta go back and talk to him in Brown Homestead. No mobs. Woohoo! That was an easy one. Definitely boring. But boring's good. After you've been blowing up and getting shot and killed and dying and all that good stuff. Alright, so let's get back, get that quest turned in, see if we can talk to him. And away we go. I don't know how far to go, so that's cool. The Siren's call. Shut down, which we were able to do. Shut down the antenna. We'll turn this quest in and see what we get after that. Hopefully it'll be something simple. But in this game, it's usually something different. Mission complete. Yeah, mission completed. All right, that's all, folks.